craft store to get some pipe cleaners. That is what we use to tie our cabinets together, like the knobs together, so that when we are moving the fifth wheel, that the cabinets don't fly open and then all of our stuff gets everywhere. We have some glass stuff. It's not ideal if you live in a trailer, but I like it, and we are gonna keep it and keep it safe. So then we have to drive and tow the fifth wheel all the way to Zaya's work, empty it completely there. Then we have to weigh the fifth wheel with the truck here, and then we have to fill it back up with all of our stuff, which we will do a day prior to us leaving, so the Navy can get an estimate on how much stuff we own and how much stuff we're towing over there, because the Navy pays us when we move. So that is what's happening today. We are now starting our journey to the West Coast. We got everything hooked up and ready, about to roll out. Mom, where are we going?
Lincoln home.
We're going to Lincoln's home. This is the only house he ever owned.
He lived in it for 17 years.
I thought he had multiple houses.
Yeah, but this is the only one he owned.
First home he ever owned. For $1,500 is what he paid for it. The size of the kitchen is the size of the house he was born in, with 8 people living in it. That's a lot of people for such a small room, because that kitchen was not very big. How'd you like it?
It was awesome.
Have you ever been in there before?
Nope. And we got to touch the railing that he used.
We did. It was the closest thing to a handshake with Abraham Lincoln. And look at this little neighborhood.
Guess I could take this.
Cute little neighborhood. This is a national park. Lincoln's home is a national park. So of course I got my stamp for my passport. If you guys don't have that, then you should definitely get that when you visit any national park. And I'm gonna advertise a little bit. If you are military, it is free for you to enter any national park. This little cart was used for parades. That's why you see Lincoln's face on it. We made it all the way to Nebraska. There we are right there. We drove for about 8 hours today. Not too bad. We wanted to set up before the sun went down. Now we are going to try to find this little lake that we parked by, or river, and walk see. taking a little trip on the dirt road, looking at
Crazy sun.
Pyramid Lake out here in Nevada. It's a beautiful day out. Definitely worth having the windows down. What do you think?
Indeed.
Whoa! Off-roading! Whoa! We're out here doing fireworks. We can do fireworks here by the lake, and you have to have a permit, and we do, and we got all these bad boys. Oh my god! Let's see how this goes!
Oh, yeah.
We're originally from the desert, but where we're from, we're not allowed to shoot off fireworks all the time. Here, you're allowed to a lot, and now we are under the stars. I forgot about these stars. And it's beautiful. You can hear the noise of the lake and the coyotes howling.
Oh, I have my flashlight.
I think we're gonna like it here for the next 3 years. Oh! We're out here setting up the last two. Ready to run. Ready to run. We ain't done yet. What are these, Zay? What are these? What was that? What was that?
Remember the ones I used to throw inside my room?
Are you guys satisfied?
Yeah, that was fun.
Was that fun?
Very loud. So,
How do you feel?
I feel like we should do a Roman candle.
A Roman candle?
Yeah.
We're not done yet?
I want to see how one of them come on.
Andrew,
What's up?
how you feel about the night?
Successful night, I know.
Are you satisfied? You've been wanting to do this all day?
Yeah. It was
Good,
fun.
good. Oh man.
Light views here.
Oh man. Whoa.
Yeah, these are the ones that mean.
Zaya!
This thing exploded in half.
Yeah, look at this.
That's scary.
That's sketch.
Dude, I just heard.
Is there some more in there?
Yeah, look right there. Ah, hit me in the eye. Look.
You okay? It's just, you're crying a little bit. That's alright.
It's all good. Oh, that's
It's not even red.
It was ringing. My ear was.
Yeah, my ear was ringing. We're on our way home from Nevada. We're gonna go visit my Baja and hang out with Zaya's familia. We made it to the California side. You know what those are? California poppies, the state flower. Prank my dad. The toilet is smoking. Dad! The toilet is smoking!
Yeah, right.
No, I'm serious, look!
I see that one, Aaron.
Dad, it's smoking! I'm not
You
kidding!
took a toilet paper roll and stuck it in there.
I'm not kidding! Dumb. made it home where we spent so much time with all of our friends and family. We caught up with them. We also helped my mother-in-law get her backyard all set up and all cute and all spa-like. My mom even gave me this plant back that she took care of when I was on deployment, and dang did it grow. Here's what it looks like now. I kind of like pinned it up. Super cute. Anyways, I know it's been a while since we posted last, and I do apologize for taking so long on that and taking my time. If you guys hear that in the background, Zaya is now building us stairs so that it's more sturdy and we don't put wear and tear on our camper stairs that we have right now. I think now that I am on shore duty, I am guessing it's going to be easier, and I'm going to have a lot more time at home where I can make videos and edit them and post on YouTube. So I do apologize for taking so long. I have a couple lined up. I'm sure most of you are wondering what we did to our camper since it looks so different from the last time you guys seen it, and I do have a video lined up to show you guys on everything we've done on that. I have been having a problem with getting all of my content from my camera to my phone. If you guys didn't know, I do edit all of our videos on my phone and post through my phone because my laptop is very jam-packed with stuff. I need to go through it. So I've been having a problem getting all my content from my camera to my phone because Isaiah and I recently got new phones. So I don't know if it's not reading my phone. I need to look it up. I don't know. I just haven't really been focused on it too much because of the move. Yes, we are back in Nevada. This is our new home. It is a lot like where we are from in California because it's the desert in California and it's the desert here. So we like it so far. Zaya has been talking about getting a side-by-side or a dirt bike or something, but we also have a three-wheeler, and then we also have a moped, so I think we're set for now, you know? I don't check into this command until Tuesday. Hopefully this video is out by then. If you guys are wondering, I could tell you all about that. If not, then I'll just leave it at that. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see next. I did have this idea that we could do a Q&A of what it's like living in a camper because we do get a lot of questions on that and if it's worth it, if other people should do it, what is the price, all that stuff. So if you do have a question that you have been wondering, go in my DMs or comment down below, whatever you want to do. Just let me know what kind of questions you have and we'll definitely put that in the next video. Besides all of that, if you haven't already, please go subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment down below, and go smash that bell button so you can get notified every time we share with you a little piece of our lives. Thanks for sticking by us again. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.